All right, if you guys are anything like me and you guys like the screen on your iPhone to be looking clean, I don't like a ton of buttons on my screen, then I would say you should utilize the hidden feature in the iPhone. I like to call it the hidden button, back tap. So as you can see here, I have mine set up to where when I tap the back twice like I just did, it opens up my super E key so I can show home without having to go in and click the super icon. And then when I tap the back 3 times, it opens up my favorite real estate app. And so if somebody has a question about a property that has been sold or a property that they might want to see, I can just click the back 3 times. And of course, I can bring up the property really quick. For me, it's just been something that has been a little bit of a life hack and has made my job a little bit easier. Just some of that tech that makes your job just a little bit easier. So why don't I show you guys really quick how to set this up inside of your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is you have to create a shortcut using the Shortcuts app. So why don't I bring up the Shortcuts app really quick? I'll open it up. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and select the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner to create a shortcut. Now what I'll do is I'll create the shortcut here under Next Action Suggestions. You can see where it says Open App. I'm going to select the plus sign here so I can get to this next page where along the top in that bar, you see where it says Open. And then next to it, it says App in that faint blue rectangle. I'm going to select App. Now I'm going to search out the app that I want to create the shortcut for. So let me go ahead and search out Super E key. I'll go ahead and select that. Now you can see that it's set to open the Super E key. Now along the top there where you see that little drop down, I'm going to open that up, select Rename, and then I'm going to change the name to Open Supra E key. There you go. Select Done. And now I've created the shortcut. So from here, what you want to do is you want to go into your settings. Then once you're in settings, you want to go down to where it says accessibility, select that, then select touch. Once we're in touch, we'll go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and there you'll see back tap. For most of you guys, it will say off. For me, it says on because I've already done this. But once I select this, it's going to give you the option to either create a double tap or a triple tap. As you can see here, my triple tap is already set to open my app. Why don't I go ahead and select the double tap? I will go down all the way after selecting double tap to where my shortcuts are. As you can see in here, there's a bunch of apps and a bunch of things that the double tap can already be set for, or the triple tap. But in this case, I want to set it up to open an app. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll all the way down to my shortcuts. And from there, I will select Open Super E key, which is the shortcut that I just created. And then we'll go back. And as you can see, if I double tap the screen, there you go. It opens up my Super E key. Again, it's just one of those small things that for me, I've really enjoyed using. Sometimes I'll even use it for personal use. Like say I want to have a shortcut to open up MyFitnessPal, but it's just, I'm too lazy at this time. My mentally, I'm using too much willpower to just go over to the MyFitnessPal app every day, and I want to input my calories. Maybe I'll set one of my taps to MyFitnessPal, and that'll set that up to where I don't even have to think. I can open up the app and I can input my calories for the day. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to share this video with your realtor friends or anyone who you think might be able to benefit from this hidden button on the iPhone. Let me know in the comment what apps or what things you're doing with the back tap function. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, feel free to do so and hit that bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new content. See you guys on the next one.